Frame's all done. It's been curing for about 10 days. And I'm just getting her wrapped up with pipe insulation. It's 1/2-inch pipe. Probably should be using the 3/4-inch pipe. But I'm still waiting for the motor mounts. He's going to paint them tonight, the 3 motor mounts. And then I'll let them cure for a couple days. And get the tranny in, and then get the motor in. So we're getting close here. A few more days, and we'll start getting this back together. Then I can get the steering head bearings in, triple tree in, forks in, front wheel on, swing arm on. So I'll be having lots of videos coming up here once I get all the parts in. That's where I'm at today. It's kind of a cool day today. What's it say there? About 62 degrees down there. Okay. Base coat. Base coat's on.
Now she's saying the same fucking thing. What he's saying.
Stand right in front of the window. I don't get any fumes on this. Real strong breeze. Wow, that's coming out really nice. Wow. Up an M109 Suzuki. Yo. One out. Got lots of the parts back. There's the transmission cradle. You can see how shiny he's got. This is 4 layers of clear on there. Really shiny, beautiful. Same with the front isolastic and the fender plate. Even the top isolastic. Battery box. I didn't know he was going to do all this. You know, I would have been okay with it being black, but it's going to look nice with all this painted silver on it. We still haven't done the swing arm yet because where the chain guard is, or where the chain on the swing arm, there's a little chain spacer or whatever, so the chain rubs on this little spacer rather than on the swing arm itself. And what we're going to do is we're going to modify that. We're going to cut it off, make a new one, and I think I got a piece. Show you, where did I put them? Where did I put them? Right here. Right here. We're going to make this is solid Teflon. So on the swing arm, we're going to make a little piece for a piece of Teflon to slide in there, screw it in, so the chain will ride across this Teflon rather than on the metal, the piece on the swing arm. So we're going to fix that up first before we paint the swing arm. And then the triple trees aren't painted yet either. They're all ready to go. So hopefully in the next couple days they'll be done. But this will give me lots to work with right now. I'll start getting this back together maybe tomorrow, but I've been really busy lately. So that's where we're at. Got my stainless steel 5/16 fine thread nuts in the other day for the isolastics for the muffler and the head steady. So it won't be long now. We'll start getting this bike back together. It'll start coming together. Can't wait. Back in a couple days.